Phases of hacking.
The phases of hacking, often referred to as the hacking lifecycle, outline the systematic process hackers follow to identify, exploit, and secure unauthorized access to systems. These phases are reconnaissance footprinting, gathering information about the target to identify potential vulnerabilities. This can involve both passive methods such as searching public records and active methods such as network scanning. Scanning and enumeration, using tools to actively probe the target for open ports, services, and detailed information about the systems and network structure. This helps identify specific points at entry. Gaining access, exploiting vulnerabilities identified in the previous phases to gain unauthorized access to the target system. This can involve using exploits, password cracking, or other methods. Maintaining access, establishing backdoors, rootkits, or other mechanisms to ensure continued access to the target system even after the initial breach is discovered and potentially fixed. Covering tracks, erasing evidence of the hacking activities to avoid detection. This includes deleting logs, modifying timestamps, and hiding tools and other artifacts. These phases allow hackers to systematically approach their targets, increasing the likelihood of a successful attack while minimizing the risk of detection.